Now the question for ANOVA and Kruskal-Wallis test. Question is, given below are the samples relating to the number of minutes the patients are to wait in the clinic of three doctors. Dr. A, Dr. B, Dr. C. Means waiting time for patients are given. State whether or not all the three doctors are equal in making the patients wait for the average time. First we will apply ANOVA, then Kruskal-Wallis test. Now the question is, given below are the samples relating to the number of minutes the patients are to wait in the clinics of three doctors. Waiting time of patients are given in the clinic of three doctors, Dr. A, Dr. B, Dr. C. Number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means N1 equals to 6 for Dr. 1, N2 equals to 6 for Dr. 2 and N3 equals to 5 for Dr. 3. State whether or not all the three doctors are equal in making the patients wait for the average time. Means equal in making the patients wait for the average time. We have to check this hypothesis first by ANOVA table, then by non-parametric form of ANOVA. One way ANOVA is Kruskal-Wallis H test. So null hypothesis for ANOVA table is mu1 equals to mu2 equals to mu3. Means population means are equal. Population means are equal. Population means are equal. Null hypothesis for ANOVA table. And for Kruskal-Wallis test, this assess the differences against the average ranks. It determines whether the median of two or more groups are different. Here null hypothesis is mu1 equals to mu2 equals to mu3. Means population medians are equal. Population medians are equal. In Kruskal-Wallis test, medians are equal. In ANOVA table, population means are equal in null hypothesis. Now first we will test this hypothesis by ANOVA. Now in order to simplify this calculation, as readings are given 44, 39, 38, 39, 35, 36. In order to simplify this calculation, we will apply coding method. Here highest observation is 44 and lowest is around 35. 44 and 35 means 44 plus 30. Highest observation is 46 and lowest is 35 is there, 34 is there, 34. Highest is 46, lowest is 34. 46 plus 34. 46 plus 34 equals to 80. Average of 80 is 40. So by coding method, I will subtract 40 from each sample value. By coding method, I will subtract 40 from each sample value to simplify the calculation. Now let H0 such that mu1 equals to mu2 equals to mu3 are null hypothesis for ANOVA, one-way classification of ANOVA, which means there is no difference among the doctors in making the patient wait. Means population means are equal. So in order to simplify, here sample 1 x1, sample 2 x2 and sample 3 x3. I will subtract 40 by coding method. 44 minus 40, 39 minus 40, 38 minus 40, 33 minus 40, 47 minus 40 and 45 minus 40. We get 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 7, 7 and 45 minus 40 is 5. In sample 2, 34 minus 40, 45 minus 40, 43 minus 40, 39 minus 40 and so on. we get minus 6, 5, 3, minus 1, 2, 0. For sample 3, 46 minus 40, 34 minus 40, 43 minus 40, and so on. 46 minus 40 is 6. Then minus 6, 3, minus 4, 35 minus 40 is minus 5. 35 minus 40 is minus 5. Square of this, x1 square, x2 square, x3 square. Square of this column, x1, we write x1 square. 4 square is 16, then 1, 4, 49, 49, 5 square is 25. The square of this second column, 36, 25, 9, 1, 4, 0. Square of this column, 36, 36, 9, 16, 25, and dash. Now by adding all this, we get summation x1 equals to 6, summation x2 equals to 3, summation x3 equals to minus 6, summation x1 square equals to 144, summation x2 square equals to 75, and summation x3 square is equals to 122 by adding all the elements in column 1 to 6. Here elements of x1, Dr. A, n1 equals to 6, elements of x2 is 6, and elements of x3 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one is, sixth one is missing. So n1 is 6, n2 is 6, and n3 is 5. Therefore n1 plus n2 plus n3 equals to n. N is over here is 17. Sum total of all the observation in 3 groups is 17. Now first calculate T. T is for ANOVA table. Summation x1 plus summation x2 plus summation x3, which is equals to 6 plus 3 minus 6 equals to 3. Therefore T is 3. Then correction factor CT is T square by N. T is 3. 3 square by N is total number of observations in 3 groups are 17. Therefore we get 0.52. T is 3, and correction factor CT is 0.52. 3 square is 9. 9 divided by 17 is approximately equals to 0.52. Now find total sum of squares. TSS is total sum of squares. Summation x1 square plus summation x2 square plus summation x3 square minus correction factor. Which is equals to 144, 75, 122. 144 plus 75 plus 122 minus correction factor is 0.52, which is approximately equals to 340.48. Therefore total sum of squares is 340.48. Now calculate sum of squares between samples, SSB. Sum of squares between samples, SSB. Formula is summation x1 square by n1 plus summation x2 square by n2 plus summation x3 square by n3 minus CF, correction factor. minus CF. Summation x1 is 6 square by n1 is 6 plus 3 square by n2 is 6 plus 5 square by n3 is 5 minus 0.52. By calculating all this, we get 20.48. So value for SSB is 20.48, which is sum of squares between samples. This one is total sum of squares. Sum of squares between samples. CT is correction factor. Now calculate SSW. SSW is TSS minus SSB. Sum of squares within samples. Sum of squares within samples is TSS, this one, minus SSB, which means 340 minus 340.48 minus 20.48, which is equals to 320. So sum of squares between samples is 320. Now F stat is formula for F stat. F stat is SSB divided by K minus 1 over SSW divided by N minus K. SSB is 20.48. SSW, sum of square between samples, within samples, sum of squares between samples, sum of squares within samples. SSB TSS is 320. K is number of groups. We have 3 groups, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, K equals to 3. N equals to 17. Total number of observations 1, 2, 6 plus 6 plus 5. 6 for Dr. A, 6 for Dr. B, and 5 for Dr. C. Therefore, total number of observations are 17. K is total number of groups. 1, 2, 3. Dr. A, Dr. B, Dr. C. K is 3. By putting these values, we get SSB is 20.48 divided by K minus 1 means 3 minus 1 over SSW is 320 divided by N minus K. N is 17. 17 minus K. K is 3. 17 minus 3. We get 1024 divided by 22.85. Therefore, approximate value for F stat is, dividing this by this, we get 0.4481. This is calculated value of F. Calculated value of ANOVA table, Fisher's table. ANOVA 1-way classification is 4481. Note table value of F. Table value of F. Table value of F for K minus 1 and N minus K at 0.05% level of significance. Here K minus 1 is new one, n minus k is nu 2, k minus 1 is 2, n minus k is 14. Therefore nu 1 equals to 2 and nu 2 equals to 14. Therefore table value at 5% significance level is find nu 1 nu 2 table value. Nu 1 is 2 and nu 2 is 14. So at 5% significant level f value is 3.739. 3.739, which implies stat, so calculator value is this and table value is this, means f calculated value is less than f table value or critical value, which implies h naught is accepted if calculated value, CV is calculated value, this is calculated value, this is table value or critical value, right? If calculated value is less than table value, we can accept null hypothesis, which implies mu1 equals to mu2 equals to mu3 by our assumption for null hypothesis, which implies 3 doctors are equal in making patients wait for the average time, which means 3 doctors are equal in making patients wait for the average time, means 3 doctors are equal in making patients wait for the average time, as h naught is accepted, f calculated value is less than table value by one way ANOVA table. By one way ANOVA table. So h naught is accepted. First calculate x1, x2, x3 by applying coding method. Here we subtract 40 from each element of the sample by applying to simplify the calculation. So we can find easily first TSS, then SSB, then SSW, then F stat. K is number of groups 3, n is total number of observations with 3 doctors, right? So F stat is 0.4481. Calculated value for F is at 5% level of significance is 3.739. By comparing these two values, F stat is less than, means calculated value is less than table value. We can accept null hypothesis, means mean of all the 3 groups are equal, means there is 3 doctors are equal in making patients wait for the average time. This is result for ANOVA. Now for second part of the question, Kruskal-Wallis test, which is a non-parametric form of ANOVA table. Question is same, waiting time is given, 3 doctors are given, waiting time of patients are given. Here K is 3, total number of observations are 17, elements of group 1 is 6, group 2 is 6 and group 3 is 5. So null hypothesis for here, null hypothesis for Kruskal-Wallis test is mu1 equals to mu2 equals to mu3, means population medians are equal. In Kruskal-Wallis test, mu1 is median of first group equals to median of second group equals to median of third group. So formulation for Kruskal-Wallis test is, first write all the values in ascending order. all the values of given three groups, write this values in ascending order. Lowest value is 33, then 33, 34, again 34. So 33, 34, 34, 35, 36. 33 is from group A, 34 group B, 34 group C, 35 from group C, 36 from group C, then 38, 39, again 39, 40, 42, 43, again 43, 44, 45, 45, then 46, and highest value is 47. 46, 47. 33, 34, 34, 35, 36, then 38 from group A, again from group A, group B, group B, group B, group B, group C, group A, 45 from group A, 45 from group B, 46 from and 47 from group A. So all the values in ascending order in first column. Then give ranks to lowest rank to lowest number. Already in ascending order, simply write 1, rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now 34 is repeated 2 times. So rank of 34 is 2 and 3. Take average of 2 and 3 is 2.5 and 2.5. Then 39 is repeated 2 times. Average of 7 and 8. 7 and 8 average is 7.5, 7.5. Then 43 is repeated again 2 times. Average of 11 and 12 is 11.5, 11.5. Then 45 again repeated 2 times. Average of 14 and 15 is 14.5 and 14.5. R1 is rank of group 1, R2 is rank of group 2, R3 is rank of all the elements belongs to group 3. So first rank belongs to 33, group A, means right over here 1. Second belongs to group B element, write 2.5 over here, 2.5. Third group C, again 2.5 over here. Fourth group C, third, write 2.5 in third row. 4 belongs to group C, 5 belongs to group C, 6 belongs to group A, 7.5 from A, again 7.5 from B, 9 is rank of 40 belongs to group B, therefore write in second group 9. Again 10 is from group B, 11.5 again from group B, 11.5 group C, 13 group A, 14.5 group A, then group B, then from group C and from group A. Here sum total of all the groups are n equals to 17. Elements of R1, N1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N2 equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and N3 equals to 1 2 3 4 5. So sum of ranks of R1 is 59, sum of ranks of R2 is 55, sum of ranks of R3 is 39. So N1 is 6, N2 is 6, N3 is 5, R1 is 59, R2 is 55, R3 is sum of ranks of group 3, R3 is 39. Now calculate H stat. For Kruskal-Wallis test, to calculate table value, formula for H is 12 by n plus 1. 3 groups are there, R1 square by N1 plus R2 square by N2 plus R3 square by N3 minus 3n plus 1 minus 3n plus 1. So for calculating H stat for Kruskal-Wallis test is R1 square, R2 square, R3 square, means we have 3 groups and 3n plus 1, 3n plus 1, which is equals to 12 by n is 17. Total number of observations is 17. 17 plus 1. R1 is 59, R2 is 55 and R3 is 39. R1 is 59 plus R2 is 55 plus R3 is 39. N1 is 6, N2 is 6 and N3 is 5. 6, 6 and 5 minus 3 into 17 plus 1. 3 into 17 plus 1. By calculating all these values, we get H equals to 0.4517. So H stat is 0.4517, means calculated value of Kruskal-Wallis H test is 0.4517. Now for table value of H is, or critical value, at N1 equals to 6 elements of group 1 and 2 equals to 6 elements of group 2 and 3 equals to 5 elements of group 3. At 0.05 means 5% significant level is 5.765. So table value for H stat is 5.765 for N1 equals to 6, N2 equals to 6 and 3 equals to 5 at 5% significant level. So calculated value for H is, this one is calculated value 0.4517. This one is table value or critical value 5.765. From two values we get H calculated value is less than H table value. Calculated value less than table value, which implies H not accepted, same as ANOVA table, which implies all the 3 doctors are equal in making patients wait for the average time. Wait for the average time. H naught is accepted means median of all the three groups are equal. Therefore, all the three doctors are equal in making patients wait for the average time. This is Kruskal-Wallis test for three groups. First, write all the values in ascending order. A means belongs to group A, B means belongs to group B, C means belongs to group C. Then find ranks, then find R1, R2 and R3. Then H stat to calculated value. For calculated value, formalize this. We get H equals to 0.4517. Then for table value, H N1 equals to 6, N2 equals to 6 and N3 equals to 6 at 5% significant level is 5.765, which implies calculated value for H is less than table value. So H naught is accepted.